Okay guys, for today's video we will do a review of Conti's Mango Bravo cake. Okay, but this one is just a takeout. See, this one I got it from the office. I took, I think, two 0.5 slices, and I just couldn't eat anymore, so I just wrapped it up and took it out. Alright, so I better get my disposable spoon and let's check it. Let's give it a taste. Okay, and hello, we're back. So here is the cake. See, still haven't opened it yet, so I wanted to open it in front of you guys, so it will be more lifelike, like a real life vlog. See, I opened it, see, right in front of you. Okay, now I will rip out the plastic, and it still smells good. Yes, see, it's kind of gooey. See, I also took out the the spoon that I used for stirring my coffee earlier. So I'm just going to take a scoop. It's still fine. That's how we cowboys do it. Mm. Ang ina mo, sarap. So yeah, I finished the cake, and then I realized my collar was, it wasn't fashioned. I mean, the other side of my collar was inside my collar. So yeah, it was good, even though it didn't came from the fridge. It was just room temperature. No, not actually room temperature, because I have AC in the house. But yeah, it's good. Give a thumbs up. Alright, thank you for watching.